In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all accounts associated with your Gmail. This is a handy skill to ensure your security and manage which third-party apps and services have access to your Google account. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, ensuring you're equipped with all the knowledge you need to manage your digital footprint effectively. First things first, you need to open your preferred web browser and head over to google.com. Once there, you'll find your profile icon at the top right hand corner of the page. It might show your profile picture or just your initial, depending on how you've personalized your account. Go ahead and click on that. You'll see a drop down menu, and from there you want to select Manage Account. This is like your dashboard and the gateway to tweaking and understanding what's going on with your Google account. On the left side of the Manage Account page, you'll notice a menu with several options. What we're interested in today is the Security tab. Give that a click. This section is crucial because it houses all the information regarding your account's security settings and connections to other apps. Next, scroll down the page until you come across the section titled Your Connections to Third-Party Apps and Services. This part is pivotal as it shows you every external service that has some degree of access to your Gmail account. Maybe it's a productivity app you linked ages ago, or a service you only tried out once. Either way, it's all listed here. In this section, you're going to see a link that says See All Connections. Clicking this link will take you to a comprehensive list of these third-party apps and services associated with your Gmail. This list is incredibly useful. Here's where you get to see the whole picture of what's linked to your account. Take a moment to review this list thoroughly. This is your opportunity to audit these connections. If there are any services you don't recognize or none that you want to keep linked for security or privacy reasons, you can go ahead and remove them. Being able to control which apps have access to your account not only gives you peace of mind, but also helps reinforce the security of your account. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully discovered all the accounts linked to your Gmail and taken control of who can access your information. Remember, it's always a good idea to periodically check and manage these connections to ensure your safety online. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your data safe and your mind at ease.